Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app so presence information can flow. Open line, update if needed, and sign in. This ensures the online indicator works correctly. Once done, grant permissions for contacts and background app refresh so line can check status continuously. Next, go to line settings and locate privacy or activity settings to confirm presence and last seen options are enabled. Make these changes now so you can proceed immediately to see who's online in your. You need to enable presence so line shows online status. Go to settings, then privacy or activity, and toggle on the online/last seen option. Once enabled, refresh your friends list or pull down the chats tab to update presence data. Then open any chat. Line typically shows a green dot or the word online near the contact name when they're active. Make sure both you and the contact have presence enabled, because line only displays status when both sides allow it. Finish by verifying functionality. Ask a contact to open line while you watch their chat header for the online indicator. If you don't see it, make sure both devices run the latest line version and that privacy settings permit showing presence. Also confirm stable internet and granted permissions. If problems persist, toggle the presence setting off and on, then fully close and restart line. This forces a status refresh and resolves most visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.